I think we didn't get the stage designer because it was not paid, and that we said in the video that it was not paid. We were frech.
Frech? What is frech?
Frech is when you are a Frechheit.
What does it mean?
It means that you're ungrateful, you know?
That you're what?
Ungrateful.
Ungrateful.
Yeah.
Ah. So what did we do today?
Today we try some objects to do some sounds for our performance.
What do you have there?
Oh, I have many things. It's a treasure box. I have a fake flower. I have a ribbon. I have many necklaces, but necklace we don't use, huh? It's not for the sound, I think. It's just for you because you like necklace, right? Are you a princess? And like we had many objects. It's a bit of mess here on the floor, and we just picked some 3 objects, and we try to improvise with it and what we can take, what we cannot take, and yeah, we took some things.
Which things?
It's a secret, right?
Yes.
So?
So we can't tell.
Sem querer descanso nem dominical. Cavaleiro marginal, banhado em Ribeirão.
And what is the plan for next rehearsal?